As the next iPhone approaches, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is already causing a stir in the tech community. Even though Apple hasn't made any formal announcements yet, insider information and leaks are creating an astounding image. Let's begin with the layout. Apple is redefining luxury with a sleek glass body encased in titanium, which is incredibly durable. With its anticipated IP68 certification, it should be able to submerge up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, so there won't be any issues at the pool or beach. It is prepared for travel thanks to its dual SIM support and Apple Pay. That enormous 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR screen, now? It will definitely be a showstopper. With LTPO technology, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and compatibility for HDR10 and Dolby Vision, it's suitable for everything from Netflix marathons to high-end gaming. This screen's ultra-crisp resolution and practically bezel-free design make it a visual wonder. Rumor has it that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will be powered by Apple's lightning-fast A19 Pro CPU, which was created using an incredibly efficient 3nm process. Whether you're editing 4K video or juggling dozens of apps, performance will be lightning fast when paired with 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB of NVMe storage. In addition, this device will have 348MP lenses, a periscope-style telephoto with a 5x optical zoom, an ultra-wide lens, and a primary lens. With improved stability, a LiDAR scanner, and powerful new software techniques, you can expect cinema-level detail even in low light. Additionally, the front camera is upgraded with 24MP selfies, enhanced Face ID, and amazing video features including slow motion at up to 240 frames per second in Dolby Vision. Connection? The best in the class. With Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, emergency satellite capabilities, and a USB-C port that at last allows for high-speed data and video output, this iPhone is more equipped for the future than ever. How about the battery? With options for wired, MagSafe, and even reverse charging, expect speedier charging. It looks like Apple's most powerful and cutting-edge phone to date will be the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This might be the phone you've been waiting for if you want the best. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.